Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the shadows of the world around us? Welcome, dear listener, to the intriguing world of surveillance. A realm where every hushed whisper might be a game changer, every shadow could conceal a secret. Our mission is as clear as a crystal, yet as complex as a labyrinth. We are here to dissect the mysteries wrapped in enigma, to discover the truths lurking in the unseen corners. Remember though, in this world, the line separating truth from deception is as thin as a spider silk. Our journey commences with a strategy as meticulous as a grandmaster's play in chess. Having a specific target, we proceed with precision, mapping out the terrain and preparing ourselves for the unforeseeable. As we step into this world of uncertainties, we carry nothing but our sharp wits and resolute determination. As we venture deeper, we transform into silent observers, the invisible eyes in the dark. Each click of the camera, each stroke of the pen, captures fragments of reality, freezing fleeting moments in time amidst the whirlpool of uncertainty. Yet in this disarray we discern patterns, constellations of truth shining through the opaque dark. Traversing this shadowy world is fraught with danger. Ethical dilemmas lie in ambush, moral quagmires ready to entrap us in their intricate webs. Nevertheless, we tread on, our path illuminated by an unwavering commitment to truth and justice. When the dust settles, the echoes of our journey fade into silence. We emerge from the shadows, victorious. Our hands hold the hard-earned evidence, the fruits of our mission. We stand tall, our heads held high, for we have pierced the veil of secrecy, conquered the unknown, and emerged triumphant. To sum up, the world of surveillance is a thrilling journey into the unknown, filled with anticipation, danger, and intrigue. It requires meticulous planning, keen observation, and a steadfast commitment to truth and justice. But most importantly, it reminds us that in the shadows, amidst the chaos, patterns of truth emerge, waiting to be discovered. So dare to step into the shadows, for in the world of surveillance, every whisper holds a secret, every shadow hides a story.